I'm audible. Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, hope I'm audible to you, and you might have come to know about that in our final exam. Na? The all 6 units will be there, right? Na? So somehow there is no any change in time. So by the uh, third week of 23rd of July, we want to complete everything. So around 7 to 8 weeks are there, and we want to complete the remaining 5 units. Okay. So little bit change in strategy is there. That is again not a difficult part. No doubt it is a challenge, but by one or other method we want to complete this syllabus. Okay, so now onward we'll concentrate more on the MCQs, since no doubt our exam will be MCQ based. So let me revise what we studied yesterday. Hope this is visible. Identification of the type. 5 types are there. We understood what the 5 types are there. Okay, so these are the 5 types. Hope everyone remember it. Linear in y, dy by dx and only one term in y. Linear in x, dx by dy and only one term in x. Bernoulli is in y, dy by dx and two terms in y and y raised to n. Bernoulli is in x, differential equation in dx by dy form and contain x and x raised to n term. The type number 5, it is differential equation is in dy by dx form and contain f of y and f dash of y. And last differential equation in dx by dy form and contain f of x and f dash of x. Hope everyone remember all these things very well. Okay. So let me start with the next part. How many examples we solved yesterday?
Three.
3 examples we solved. This was the first example. Then second was dy by dx e raised to x minus y. Then it was of the type number 5. Then we solved this example also. Acha. So previously we solved 2 examples, isn't it? No, just we understood it here. Okay. So we started here. This was the first example, correct? Then we solved second example like this. This was the third example. Yes, we solved 3 examples yesterday. Let me solve one more example, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay. And if possible, I want to start with the unit number 2 today. Okay, so let me go through one more example. So it is like this letter. Can anyone tell me what the page number is? What is next page number? 75 or 74 something? Page number? Who remember the page number? अरे कोई किसी को याद है पेज नंबर क्या है?
73, sir.
So 72 we completed, right? Tan y dy by dx plus tan x equal to cos y into cos square x. Yes, write this. Tan y dy by dx plus tan x equal to cos y. So see, the right side should be free from right hand side should be free from what? Non-linear term. That is cos y. Right? So dividing by cos y. Now logically you should understand why we are dividing by cos y. Okay, so tan y is sin y divided by cos y, right? Again divided by cos y, dy by dx plus 1 upon cos y.
Hello sir.
Hello
sir.
Speak now.
Sir का admit.
Admit.
Sir वो admit. Sir लो आप.
Admit. Okay. Admit all. No problem. How many people? 52, 54. Okay. Past. Which was your previous lecture? A division. Which was your previous lecture?
Communication skills.
Huh?
Communication skills.
Not audible.
Communication skill.
Communication skill. Ask madam to leave on the time. And what about the B division?
आले sir.
कोणतं होतं lecture?
Chemistry.
Chemistry. So ask chemistry people to leave on time, huh? But I think it was not chemistry, no? Someone else took the lecture. Rupesh Patil sir. So whoever it is, from next time ask them to leave on time. Okay. Okay. Let me continue. Okay. I think what we have to do, sin y divided by cos y, we have to keep tan y only. And 1 upon cos y, we have to write sec y. It depends upon what are our requirements. So,
Sir, page.
oh shit. Sorry. Yes, tan x 1 upon cos is sec y. So derivative of sec y is sec y tan y. Okay. So differential equation is non-linear of form, yes, f dash of y dy by dx plus f of y p equal to q. Okay, so let u equal to sec y. Now differentiating with respect to x. So now we'll use substitution in 1 using substitutions in 1. So we have 1 will be modified as du by dx plus tan x into u equal to cos square x. Differential equation 2 is linear in u. It's right. Comparing with du by dx plus pu equal to q. Okay. On next page we'll write p and q. Can I change the page?
Sir, wait.
Fast,
Wait.
Right. No problem, right. Okay. Let me change it.
Sir, integration of tan x log of sin x असतं का?
हे बघूया ना, थांबा 2 मिनिट. कन्फ्युजन होईल बाकी लोकांचं. So tan x and cos square x. So integrating factor e raised to integration of p dx okay, what is integration of tan x? Log of sec x. Okay, or minus of log of cos x. Better consider sec x. Integration of integrating factor into q dx plus some constant. You can skip this step. Integration of cos x. But what the u is? I forget it. Sec y. Check that.
Yes, sir.
General search. Next.
Sir, wait please.
No problem. Completed.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sure. Next. Correct. Differential equation. Reducible to polar form. Not so much important, huh? But we'll go through one or two examples and we'll try to understand what type of examples may be asked on this type. Probably no example will be there on this type in exam. Okay, so relation between Cartesian, right? Two coordinate systems are there in 2 dimension, huh? 2 dimension. How many coordinate systems are there? 2 coordinates system. Right? What are they? One is Cartesian. Right? What are the Cartesian coordinates? X, Y. And another is polar. R. So now we are considering relation between this X, Y and R. Relation between Cartesian and polar coordinates. X equal to, hope you remember, R cos theta. In M1 also we studied all these things. R equal to sin theta. R square equal to x square plus y square. Theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. Right. Then let me start from here. Let me differentiate this. So it is derivative of r square 2r dr 2x dx plus 2y dy. So r dr equal to x dx plus y dy. Getting? This is one relation. Okay. Already we have 4 relations. Huh? This is 5th one. Also, we have theta equal to tan inverse y by x, isn't it? So differentiate this. So derivative is d theta equal to 1 upon derivative of tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus y square divided by x square into derivative of y by x. Huh? X as it is derivative of numerator. Numerator as it is derivative of denominator. Denominator square. Simplify. X square divided by x square plus y square. X dy minus y dx divided by x square. What is 1 upon x square plus y square? R square. Take r square to other side. Right, note. So see, type number 1 to 8. Let me mention all the types. Started with the variable separable form. Then second was substitution method. Third was homogeneous differential equation. Fourth was non-homogeneous differential equation reducible to homogeneous form. Next was exact differential equation. Next, differential equation reducible to exact form. Next, linear differential equation. And yesterday and today we studied linear differential equation reducible to linear form. These were the 8 types where we considered differential equation in the form of x and y. We consider differential equation in Cartesian form. Clear, na? Now what we are doing here we are converting the differential equation in r theta form, that is polar theta form. And for that, what is the condition? The differential equation should contain x dx plus y dy, as well as x dy minus y dy, y dx. Okay, start. A differential equation is reduced to polar form if it contains x dx plus y dy and x dy minus y dx terms. Okay, no problem. We'll go through few examples. Sit down. Solve following differential equations. Let me change the page and see how the example is simplified. Okay, understand the beauty of the method. No doubt we can use it for few examples only. So right,
Hello,
solve. I have to change the page. 76. Okay, right, solve, then write 1 x square x dx plus y dy plus y x dy minus y dx. Run. Given differential equation contains and so reducing it to polar form as write all the relations. X dx plus y dy, we have written it, r dr. Check this. R square d theta equal to x dy minus y dx. Therefore, equation 1 will be reduced into x square. What is x square? R square cos square theta. X dy plus y dy, r dr. Plus y. What the y is? R sin. Just 1 minute. r dr, r sin theta, and what about x dy minus y dx?
Sir.
R square. This is correct, na? Sign is correct, na? It is not negative, na? Check that, huh? Okay. So see,
Sir.
oh sorry. Okay, this is correct. Now see, in case of Cartesian coordinates, we write y as a function of x. Right? In case of polar coordinates, we write r as a function of theta. Okay, so r should be on the left hand side again whenever possible, and theta should be on the right hand side. Okay, let me do that type of calculation. So it is r cube cos square theta dr equal to minus r cube sin theta d theta. We can cancel r cube, and therefore dr equal to minus sin theta divided by cos square theta d theta. Okay, so integration of dr equal to minus of sin by cos is tan theta. One more cos will remain, that is sec theta d theta, and then we have to add a constant. So r equal to tan theta plus constant. So r plus tan theta equal to c. But what the r is? Root of x square plus y square. Final answer should be in terms of x and y. Tan theta, hope you remember. From here. What is tan theta? Pi by x. Getting everyone. So see, if we try to solve the given example, question number 1 by Cartesian method, then it is very difficult. You might have observed it. Okay, solving the equation number 1 by Cartesian method is very difficult. In fact, I'll say it is not possible. You can cross check it. Clear? Understood? Okay, we'll go through one more example. Right. 76. Any doubt here? Have you completed that? Can I go through the next example?
Sir.
Let me change the page. Yes. Anything is remaining?
No, sir.
Yes, sir, Pura.
Okay. If remaining, I'll post the notes. No problem. Okay. Yes. Right on next example. So like this, simple as compared to the previous example. X dy minus y dx equal to x square plus y square x dx plus y dy. Yes, right. Given differential equation contains x dy minus y dx and x dx plus y dy. So reducing it to polar form as x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, r square equal to x square plus y square, theta equal to tan inverse of y by x, x dx plus y dy equal to r dr, and r square d theta equal to x dy minus y dx, isn't it? It was y by x, so x dy minus y dx, correct? Therefore, 1 will be reduced into x dy minus y dx, r square d theta equal to x square plus y square, r square, and this is r dr. Okay, So r cube dr, or you can, I'll do that in next step. That's it. Hope you might have understood it. This is all about the unit number 1. Can I start with the unit number 2? Any doubt in any point, anywhere, any doubt? Acha, can I start with the next part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me change the page. Just 1 minute, give me 1 minute. Few formalities are to be completed. Let me complete them.